Welcome to the biblicalnutritionist.com. I am Annette Reeder. I am so excited that you're here. I love answering your questions. So be sure and hit the subscribe button and the like button and all of those. I love reading your comments. I love answering them. And I love to get to know you through this YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, be sure and go to our website, thebiblicalnutritionist.com, join our 7 Steps to Amazing Biblical Health, and there you'll get invited into our Facebook group, Biblical Nutrition Academy, and it's all free. It's all free. You can't mess up. You can't go wrong with free. I have a question about nutrition and skincare. I have struggled with acne and blackheads for years now. I can so understand what you're saying. And she says, I was wondering if there are foods that are contributing to it. Are there foods that I should avoid? Are there foods that can help overcome? Well, this is a good question. Now, she also asked, does the appearance of these blemishes mean anything concerning my health? We all want healthy skin because skin is our largest organ of our body. It's our first line of defense, and it also helps us look good. Well, it's a visible indicator too of our health, and it's an indicator of our microbiome. And you've heard me talk about microbiome over and over. Well, to help you and everyone else begin to heal, we must start with our gut. What starts in our gut travels everywhere. So if you've signed up for our 7 Steps to Amazing Biblical Health, it gives you the steps to get started. So first is a questionnaire. And in this questionnaire that you're going to get, it's going to help you identify what's going on in your body and how can we fix it. Second that you're going to get in that free download is our Hunger Satisfied Journal. So what we're going to do with these 2 tools that you're going to get for free just for signing up on our website, what you're going to get is this. Number 1 is that questionnaire helps you identify, well, what part of your body are you having problems with? And these are questions that you may not have realized can add up to an issue with your liver or your gallbladder or, your heart. And they're questions you may not have thought of, but as you add up the points, you're going to say, oh, wow, I am having some issues in this area of my life I didn't realize before. There's also some gut questions as well. So that's going to be really good. I use it as kind of an eye-opener to what's going on. Now, when I do private coaching with my clients, we have a more in-depth questionnaire that's like 20 pages long. Then we really get into what's going on in each system of your body. Now, the second tool that you get is the Hunger Satisfied Journal. In the Hunger Satisfied Journal, you're going to identify what foods you eat every day, what time you ate those foods, how much, and then how did you feel from eating those foods. Now, don't even tell me, Annette, that's just too much work, because you've just asked me a very important question. You see, your skin is kind of a photo of what's going on the inside. What's going on in the inside has to be released one way or another. And your skin is kind of an exit route, okay? There's like an exit sign that says, okay, all toxins, you can go out this way. And that's where it shows up with blackheads and acne. It doesn't even matter what age you are as well. So your skin is a picture of what's going on inside your gut. So we have got to heal your gut. When we heal the gut, the rest of the body can then heal. Putting on topical ointments, topical steroids can have an overall masking effect, but not a long-term healing. And that's what so many people succumb to. I had one client who had horrible, horrible eczema. She couldn't even wear clothes. She was so covered with eczema. And at the time, she was probably in her mid-50s. And she kept going to every dermatologist out there. I kept saying, it's your gut. It's your gut. You need to address your gut. And she's like, yeah, okay. She would come to me and ask my opinion. I would tell her, then she'd run to the dermatologist and do what he said. Well, 1 year later, she's so miserable. She says, Annette, I still can't even sleep with my husband. I can't wear pajamas. I can't put sheets. I'm just miserable, just totally broken out. I said, well, are you ready to listen? And she says, okay, I'm ready. So with my own help and along with a physician, an MD physician that I use with many of my clients, within 3 months, now you may think that's a long time. No, every day she was seeing success, but within 3 months she was totally back to a normal skin, beautiful skin. She still has beautiful skin today. And it was with identifying what foods were contributing to the problem, at the same time looking at how she can use nutritional supplements and other things to help heal. But we have to heal the gut first. Your skin will never be beautiful. You will never have the smile God intended for you until we heal that gut. Let's address the gut. Let's start healing the gut. And I have numerous videos out there. We also have a course on how to heal your gut in our coaching platform, so you might want to check that out as well. I love sharing this time with you. I feel like we can just gather around the table. I'm here at the table in my yard and just talk about God's recipe for excellent health. Be sure and hit the like button, the subscribe button, and comment down below. And do me a favor, share this video with your friends, with your women's group, with your other pastors, and let them know that God's recipe for excellent health includes them. It includes getting them back on mission, for the mission that God planned for them, and seeing God at work in your life. Once again, thanks for watching. I'm Annette Reeder from thebiblicalnutritionist.com. It is finally here, my latest book, and this is such a treasure. I am so excited about this book, 7 Foods of the Promised Land. Why these 7 foods? Does it really matter? Why didn't he choose broccoli? You know how I teach about that. But no, these 7 foods are so specific. God had a purpose for each one of these foods to be a lesson for us to learn from. The way he shares his love through these 7 foods is incredible. Not only how nutritious they are for us, but how delicious they are for us and how spiritually encouraging they are for us. I can't wait for you to get your hands on my new book, 7 Foods of the Promised Land. Be sure and check out any of your retailers. It's available everywhere, even on my website. And while you check it out and read this book and enjoy it, be sure and leave a review on Amazon or our website. I'm going to be doing some fun giveaways for people who leave a review. Thanks for watching, and I really want you to check out 7 Foods of the Promised Land.